Welcome to the Clapper Racing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a little string alignment. This ain't going to get it absolutely perfect, but it'll get it close enough. I did it on my Civic over here. Probably, I don't know, after I put the tires on it. I think last time I checked it had 40,000 miles on the tires, and they still look good. There's no bad wear or anything on them, and you know, I've rotated them like I should and everything, but this won't get camber too good, but it'll help your toe, which is what really eats tires out. And I noticed my steering wheel was crooked on this, and that I needed to do it. So basically I got two jack stands, one there, with some string tied in between them. Just got them tied to the top of the jack stand, and I've got it just barely touching the rear tire here on both sides. And I've got it strung out across this front tire here. And so what I did was I adjusted this back and forth to where I saw the string just barely touch the front of the back tire. And then what you want to do is you want to measure and make sure your wheel's straight, your steering wheel inside. That's the most important part. So you want to measure from the center of the tire out, and then you want to take and measure the front of the tire, and you want to make sure that you have about an 1/8 inch toe in on the front of the tire. That's usually what I set it for. It helps keep a straight steering wheel. And like I said, it's worked on my Civic for a while now, so I'm gonna get started on it. And obviously when you adjust this, you adjust the tie rods, and you adjust the inner tie rods. So you loosen that big nut right here, and then you just put your wrench on the threads here, or the flats here, and just screw it in or out depending on how you need it. And that makes it pretty easy. And you can usually get it pretty close, like I said. I'm gonna try it here, and I'll give you a little bit of tips on how to do it. You have to keep adjusting your steering wheel along the way. Just kind of make sure it's in the middle here. You can kind of feel the play a little bit, and make sure it's in the middle, and just keep adjusting back and forth like that.